Yes, it's gonna be very nice. That's the line.
Yeah, the future of food. I'm very excited.
It's like a bullet space.
It would be great if you could go inside and experience it.
Yeah, look at that plane. Look at that.
That cannot be a plane.
Oh no, it's like a car.
It's like a solar panel thing. That makes it work like, yeah.
Look at this.
Only 3 bells.
Did you fit there?
Of course I would. These seats are too low and too skinny.
Let's see from the inside. Oh, at least it's like a 2-seater.
At least, but it's way too low.
How about that one?
Driving like this. You can probably fit 3. Hi guys, today me and my dad we're going to have pancakes for breakfast and I'm very excited.
Pancakes are there. How many are you gonna have? I'm gonna have 2. First, you need to put the pancakes on the plates because these are microwave pancakes. So it's nice. Are you sure you're gonna have these small plates? Because when we're gonna put eggs, you need to put them like that and put them on top of each other. Now, what you can do is you can get the eggs. Get some egg whites right here. You're gonna open 5 eggs. Now, just cut the egg white. And now this is the white bits from the egg.
We renovated our kitchen and now it looks way more modern.
Now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make the egg. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna cut the strawberries and and make this 2 strawberries, and then you can check the size and you can see. Let me just. Alright guys, gonna be doing the egg. These pancakes they go to the microwave, and Ashanti's gonna be here. She's gonna be cutting bananas and the strawberries. So the strawberries are in the fridge. What are you gonna drink? Put the water for you.
I need some
Keep that in there. I have we have something to put the strawberries. The pot. Put the strawberries there. So you already have 1 plate in the microwave. You get that. Some bananas out. It's okay like this. Do you think you want more? Or?
just one more.
Sure. You can make your tea.
Oh wait, I'm gonna have some drink.
Black tea, pancakes are kinda ready. Just the egg missing on top, and my drink, of course. It's oh yes. I'm gonna drink flat white, and I have the center right here.
Yes, it's gonna be very nice. That's the line.